In this video, we're going to be looking at example 2. We're going to be looking at cube roots of perfect cubes and non-perfect cubes. So we'll start off with the cube root of 8. I look on my list. 8 is on my list. It's in the second position. So that means the cube root of 8 is 2. Now we'll look at 2 times the cube root of 432. 432 is not on my list. It'd be somewhere between 343 and 512. So it's not on my list. So I'm going to take, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with squares. I'm going to take 432 and divide by 2 and end up with 216. So 216 is where I'm going to start on my list. So I'm going to start right around here. And I notice that 216 is on my list. And it's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th position. So the cube root of 216 is 6. So we'll have 2 cube root, and we'll break it up into 216 times 2. And the cube root of 216 is 6. So 6 gets to come out. And then we leave in the 2. So this 2 doesn't get to come out because it's not a perfect cube. So 2 times 6 is 12. And then we have cube root of 2. So we have 12 cube root of 2. Now we'll look at 192. 192 is also not on my list. It'd be here between 125 and 216. So we're going to take negative 192 and divide it in half, and we end up with negative 96. Remember, we can take the cube root of a negative number. So with 96 being our number, we're going to start here at between 64 and 125. So we'll start with 64, and we'll see, is 192 divisible by 192 divisible by 64. 192 divided by 64. And we end up getting a whole number, so it is divisible by 64. In fact, it's 64 times 3. So we're going to come back over here. We're going to rewrite this as the cube root of, and we're going to make the 64, which is our perfect cube, we're going to make that negative, and we have 64 times 3. So negative 64 times 3. The cube root of negative 64 is in the 1, 2, 3, 4th position. So it's going to be negative 4. Remember, pull out that negative sign with it. And then what we are left with on the inside is the 3. So that's it, guys. That's all you have to do. Again, the steps for squares and cubes are the same. If it's not on the list, start by dividing it by 2. That'll be where we start on the perfect cubes or on the perfect squares, and we'll go down from there and come up with the perfect cube or perfect square that works as a factor of the number under the cube or square root. So guys, these are your try it problems. So now I want you to go through and try these problems, see if you can come up with the factors of these numbers that are perfect cubes. And if you have any questions, please ask me in class. Thanks.